This is the last video of the section, predicting stock prices with an ARIMA model. In the previous video, we looked at forecasting with an ARIMA model. In this video, we'll show how to load historical prices with the QuantMod package and make predictions on stock prices with ARIMA. As the historical prices of a stock are also a time series, we can build an ARIMA model to forecast future prices of a given stock. Here we use the example of a stock price prediction to review all the concepts we've covered in previous topics. You will require knowledge of how to create an ARIMA model and make predictions based on a built model to follow this video. First, you have to install and load the QuantMod package. You are hopefully familiar with it by now. Now download the historical prices of Facebook Incorporated from Yahoo with QuantMod. See Facebook is downloaded. Next, plot the historical stock price as a line chart. Here's the output. You can see the historical chart of Facebook. Then use the Auto ARIMA function to find the best fitted model. We will fit it and then call it fit function. Here are the values. Then we plot both the historical prices and fitted line chart in the same plot. You can see the black and red lines. They almost overlap. Moving on, you can make a prediction of future stock prices with a forecast ARIMA function. Let's use fitForecast as a variable. Then we call it. And the output is seen here. Lastly, you can make a forecast plot using the plot function. Here you can see the plot on the right-hand side of the screen. As QuantMod loads historical stock prices into an XTS object, one can use the lag function to shift the time series. We can calculate the return on the stock and chart it in a histogram. From the histogram, we find the distribution of the performance of the stock. Variable name is FB return. Then we can use the head function to call our variable. Here's our output. Now we create the histogram. And here it is. In this video, we've predicted stock prices with an ARIMA model. Amazing! Let's have a quick recap of this section. We started with creating time series data and plotting a time series object. Then we moved on to decomposing, smoothing, and forecasting time series. Then we learned about ARIMA model and created it. Using ARIMA model, we did forecasting and predicting stock prices. In the next section, we'll learn all about supervised machine learning.